Next, we will see how to manage property expenses. Go to the property you created. On the Property Details page, scroll down to the Expenses section. Click Add Expense to register a new expense. Enter a description of the expense, detailing what work was done or what the issue was. For example, repair, replacement, utility, or administrative. If the payment is pending, enter the amount, then it will be an unresolved expense. This allows you to track different expenses per property, such as repair costs, management fees, or shared utilities. You can also track unresolved expenses easily. In the property catalog, properties with unresolved expenses show the expense count in a purple-colored circular marker. On the dashboard, there is a card labeled Unresolved Expenses. Clicking it filters the catalog to show only properties with pending expenses, helping you focus on issues that require attention. Finally, once an expense is paid, select it and mark it as resolved. It will then move to the Resolved Expenses list. These expenses are also included in PDF or Excel reports when exporting.